Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'm making Claypot low Shu Fun and we're going to start off by blanching the Bee Tai Bak. Low Shu Fun was in Cantonese. In Hokkien we call it Bee Tai Bak. As for English, it was called Silver Pin Noodles. Just add the Bee Tai Bak into a pot of boiling water, then remove it. This step is just to get rid of some extra oils, totally optional to do, but I do recommend to do this step. Next, I will prepare the minced meat. I'm using pork mince. It works well with chicken mince and I think beef mince will be great too. In the wok, heat up some oil, then add in the minced meat. Give it a quick stir, then add in chopped mushroom, onion, and garlic too. I'm using dried mushroom which I have rehydrated. Season this with soy sauce, sugar, and white pepper powder. Add in the dark soy sauce for deeper color. I will not be providing exact recipe for this, but I will list down the ingredients I use in the description box below. Once the mincemeat is done cooking, just set it aside. Next step is to heat up the Claypot. I don't have Claypot, so I use Ttukbaegi. Ttukbaegi is a Korean earthenware pot, and yes, it can be used on ceramic or electric cooker. So inside the pot, drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, then add in the Bee Tai Bak. I think 2 little scoops should be good enough. I put 3, which is a bit too much for one person. For the sauce, refer to the list on the screen. Give the Bee Tai Bak a light stir, then add in the cooked mincemeat. The reason why that I don't provide exact recipe for this video is because everyone might be cooking different portion and with the basic sauce and how to do it, I'm sure everyone can make this dish and it will taste delicious. Dig a small hole in the center, then crack an egg on it. Close the lid and let it heat up for a while. Then garnish with spring onion and yu chang, which is deep fried shallots. And it's done. Serve this hot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!